All right, my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. Please remember to leave me a little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content. Guys, I'm hungry, but I want to eat something healthy and really delicious and nice. All right, guys, so I'm going to share this recipe with you. So you need a baking pan like this or any of your choice, okay? I have 6 pieces of frozen salmon. I just rinsed them off, all right? And what I'm gonna do salmon in cream of mushroom, okay? And I'm gonna pop it in the oven. Really easy and nice, okay? So let's get cooking. All right, and I'm gonna use some olive oil, okay? So over here in your pan, you wanna put about a tablespoon of olive oil and you wanna grease it. They can be frozen, yes or not. I'm gonna place them in here and just like that. I hope we all hold, guys. We better hold. 6 bad boys. We're gonna add some black pepper. We're gonna season up the fish a little bit, all right? This is some of my fish seasoning. Jamaican fish seasoning. I'm not gonna put too much, all right? Something like so. I'm gonna put about a teaspoon or half teaspoon of my Maggi all-purpose seasoning. I'm not gonna put any salt, guys, because salt is in the seasoning and in the can of mushroom, okay? So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna place, just take a can of mushroom, all right? And you're gonna pour it all over it. We're gonna pop it in the oven. If you can't come out, you see how thick it be, guys? Just take and I have like about a tablespoon of my blended seasoning, and I'm not gonna waste this. I'm gonna put like a little bit of water, just a little bit of water, guys, so we can shake out all of this goodness. I'm gonna get about another teaspoon of my garlic paste here. And I'm gonna give this a little mix. And I'm also gonna pour it on top. We're gonna mix everything together, okay? So it's a one pan thing, all right, guys? It's gonna add some flavor to it. What you wanna do, just go ahead and rub it up. Rub it up. Look at this, guys. Just rub it all up together. We're gonna pop these in the oven. Oh my God, they're gonna be so creamy and yummy. Make sure you cover all of them, okay, guys? Mix up the mushroom with the garlic and the blended seasoning. Oh gosh, look at that. On a bed of white rice. Oh my goodness, guys, look at that. Can you see the goodness here, guys? Gonna go in with some onions. Onions give it a little flavor there, guys. I have some frozen green onion. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit on top for nice color and flavor. Now I'm gonna pop this in the oven. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get some foil paper and I'm gonna cover it. All right, I'm gonna pop it in the oven for the first 15 minutes and then I'm gonna take off the foil paper, leave it for another 10 minutes or so, 10-15 minutes, and it should be good. Okay, can you see that, guys? Super yummy. Oh, and the oven will be at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, okay, guys? This is it. All right, and I'm gonna serve up some, okay? And this is my baked salmon and cream of mushroom. Just some comfort food, okay, guys? So I'm gonna put some rice there, so. Look at this goodness. You just want to take up a piece. We're gonna set it right on top of the rice. Something like so. Get the sauce, drip it all over it. Just some comfort food. Smothered with the gravy, okay guys? I'm gonna put a little bit of parsley flakes for color garnishing. Oh mamma mia. All right guys, look at it. This is it. This is the final result. Smothered in the rice. All right guys, that's it there. Love upon me. I'm just gonna taste it for you, okay guys? Put a little bit of rice. You can put some pepper on it if you want, guys. Oh my goodness. Real comfort food, okay guys? Try it like this. And tell me what you think. Oh my goodness. The rice with the gravy. Oh my goodness. Oh, super good. All right guys, if you have a good day, bye.